Welcome to this DelftStack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to turn off vibration on Duolingo. Step by step, first, open your Duolingo app and go to your profile. Click on the gear icon on the top right and go to the first option. Here you can see there are different options, but to turn off the vibration, you have to double the haptic feedback off. You can also turn off sound effect animation, motivational message and listening exercises, and that's it. You have successfully turned off vibration on Duolingo. For more quick Duolingo tips, check out our next DelftStack tutorial video.